Good evening, everyone. I'm CA Lehar Khanna from Ludhiana, from AICA Level 2, batch number 40th. First of all, I would like to thank Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for giving us this opportunity to participate in this highly knowledgeable course, which is AICA Level 2, and also for giving us this opportunity to present the capstone project. I would like to start with my project. So I'll share my screen. So the project which I am presenting today is called a Flux Analyzer tool. I have prepared this project using Python, Gemini, Google Gemini, and I have debugged it using um, ICI AI agent. So what the Flux Analyzer tool does is when we do month end close for any of the clients, we do a comparative analysis for the income statement for current period data as well as the previous period data, and we calculate the variances. And after calculating the variances, we dig deep into understanding what are the reasons for the variances. So the Flux Analyzer tools analyzes the reasons for variances in compliance with US GAAP. So these are the files which I have placed in the folder. This is the run prompt. This is the Python file, which is our program. This is the prompt, and this is the sample data set, which we are going to upload in our Flux Analyzer tool. And this contains the dependencies, that is the names of the library which I have installed for this project. These are the two libraries which I have installed. Actually, these are not two. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4 libraries. So I will see using the CMD run prompt, which is Python Flux Analyzer.py. I'm going to run my project here in CMD. So this is the Flux Analyzer tool. Now, since it uses AI to do the commentary, which is the CFO strategic commentary, it will not work offline. It needs the API key. So we have made the placeholder button here to verify the Gemini API key. So I'll go to my Gemini API and I'll copy my key, and then I'll paste the key here. I'm going to select Flash Light model. Then I'll verify the key. Now it is verifying my Gemini API key. So like we can see that the key got verified. Now I'll upload the NetSuite export data, which is the sample data set. It is, I can show what this data has before we upload it as a data set. So this is the comparative income statement data. This has all the details ledger wise for previous period as well as the current period. So this is the previous period and this is the current period. Now I'm going to close this file and upload it here. So here we can see the variances are calculated for each item. And alongside the variances being calculated, it has started giving us item-wise commentary also here. And this commentary is a CFO level commentary. That is, it specializes in US GAAP. So we'll go through the commentary once. So it has given a crux of what all is there in the whole of the period. Then it comes to specifics. For example, this is the revenue and top line commentary. It has analyzed service sales, which has increased by this much percent. That is from previous period 527 to 530 in this period. This modest growth is consistent with the market conditions. Then after that, it comes to the product sales. Then it gives a reason It also analyzes the gift card revenue and indicates a slight increase in the discounts offered, which could be a response to competitive pressures. There are no immediate red flags suggesting channel stuffing or unusual rebate accruals. However, significant increase in miscellaneous revenue requires confirmation of ASC 606 compliance, which is the US GAAP revenue standard. Then after that, it has also given the analysis of cost of sales and gross margins. So it indicates the product cost has increased by 3.41%. There is no indication of inventory reserve adjustments under ASC 330. So wherever the standard is applicable, it has also cross-checked all its analysis in terms of the relevant ASE. See. Similarly, we can see about the operating expenses. Here also, it has analyzed salaries and wages. Then bonus, there is a decline. It has highlighted that as well. And here the bonus has surged. So these are highly unusual and contradictory movements. A positive bonus expense in one account and negative in another. So this has highlighted it as a concern. Then similarly, if we move forward to then balance sheet, working capital, and cash flow analysis, again in terms of the relevant ASC, another. So similarly, then it has given us what are the risk flags, internal controls, and audit considerations, and it has given all those GLs where it has noticed that there is a significant amount of variance, like we saw bonus above, then also salaries and wages, and then utilities phone a significant percentage is increased, requires review of usage patterns and vendor invoices. Then it has given some recommendations and action items for different teams. Like you can see for the controller, for FP&A, tax, treasury, internal audit, along with deadlines that this should be resolved within 7 business days. Suppose it has given an action for controller, conduct an immediate deep dive investigation into the root cause variances of bonus, and this too within 5 business days. So this is the level of commentary which works for such organizations, and this Flux Analyzer tool has satisfactorily attained that level of commentary, which will be useful for me in a way that I don't have to analyze it line by line. And to a great extent, it helps me give an idea of the analysis and on what lines I should think. So this is it, and thank you so much.